Welcome again to another tool. Today we're going to talk about FlexClip. It's the tool exists for some time now, but they released last month the text-to-speech video maker. That's what I'm going to talk about. They have it was made by Paramount and by Sophia, at least in product and as the maker of the product. It has different features from templates that you can use, photos, audios that you can search, backgrounds, branding, but we can focus more on the text to speech. That is the most important that was released now, and also the subtitles. So the text to speech, basically, it is what it is, what it says. It works really good. You can choose the language, and you can choose the voice. And I'm gonna press here, for example. You might listen now a bit.
Bitcoin's high coincided with the stock market debut of Coinbase Global Incorporated.
Okay, so this is the guy, and let's hear Amber.
This process of evolution is fascinating. Try to define.
Okay, now you can write. You can write like, hello, my name is Ricardo. I am going to present a new tutorial, for example, and
Hello, my name is Ricardo, and I am going to present a new tutorial.
you can change the voice. Let's say let it's excited.
Hello, my name is Ricardo, and I am going to present a new tutorial.
And maybe I need to write. You can make sad.
Hello, my name is Ricardo, and I am going to present a new tutorial.
It works pretty good. You can also change the type of language. So let's, for example, Portuguese. And right now, here you cannot choose the voice style, but there's different persons. Let's hear now.
Olá, meu nome é Ricardo e vou apresentar novo tutorial.
It's pretty good, and then you can, of course, you can add a video and then add the voice in the background, and it works perfectly. The other option is you also can make subtitles. This was a video that I already uploaded from another tool that I talk, the blog maker, and this is the subtitles that is gonna show up. So in the subtitles, you can choose the style of the subtitles. You can change them, and if something is wrong, easily you can write. For here it is blood maker, and you can say blood maker, and automatically it changes and goes. It's really good. I can put it now. So I stop here, but the subtitles work really good. So these are the two most new tools that you can use with FlexClip. About pricing, let's see if I can show you. This is the free version that I'm using, and they have the different they have the paid version of course. Search like click pricing. Here we go. They have 4 plans, or exactly, there's the free, that it's pretty good. the videos it's just like with 480, but then you have with 599 already the basic, and it includes already many things, and they even remove the watermark, and then they have 10 euros and 20 euros. So yes, this is a small description of FlexClip. You can see it flexclip.com. You can go and try all the features that he has, and it's pretty good. See you next time.